Hi, welcome to a section on employability as part of the applicant day for the University of Kent. I'm Ian Rogers. I'm a lecturer in actuarial science at the University of Kent, and I'm also the school's employability officer and the deputy director of education for the school as well. I'll talk a little bit more about the employability role a little bit later on, but in terms of professional background, I've spent most of my career working as a consulting actuary. I was a pensions consultant and scheme actuary, and I've been working at the university teaching actuarial science at BSc and MSc level for about the last 5 years or so. I'm going to talk now about the support that we offer to students in helping them to progress in the early stages of their career. And in fact, a very positive thing for you is that by choosing to study maths or actuarial science or financial maths or any of the other subjects, the joint subjects with maths, you are choosing a great subject. A real strength of maths as a degree subject in any of those broad forms is how well viewed that degree will be and the wide range of jobs that you can go into. Pretty much any job is going to welcome a maths degree or maths and financial maths or actuarial science degree. Very well appreciated for your ability to deal with complex problems, to deal with data, to solve problems. What I've got on screen here is a survey put together. It's put together every year. The 2019 survey is the most recent one. It's put together every year by an organisation in the US, and they look at about 200 different jobs, and they rank them, and they take into account things like pay and working conditions and promotion opportunities and whether this particular profession is a growing one or a declining one. And they rank all 200 or so jobs. I've shown on screen the top 10 jobs according to this survey. What you'll see, of course, is that 5 of these jobs, 5 of the top jobs out of this 200 list are essentially mathematicians. So data scientist, analysing data to draw conclusions, statistician, a similar sort of role. Number 1 and 2 top jobs are going through to mathematician. Operations research is about applying maths to organisational problems, and it's a nice area for mathematicians to move into, and there's areas of operations research you can look at within the maths degree course here as well. And of course, actuary as being a great career for mathematicians to move into following their degree, whether that's actuarial science or another related subject. And there's a huge range of other jobs in relation to finance and computing and data that fit very naturally with a mathematical degree. Pretty much anything you want to do, to be honest, you can do with a maths degree and it'll be very welcome. So you've made a great choice of degree, whichever of those the range of subjects you've chosen to look at. I have to say, just having a good degree won't be enough in getting you started in your career. Okay, you will have to show that you understand the career that you want to be part of, and you have skills relevant to that career, and you have knowledge about the career and about the companies you want to work for. And it's part of my job as the employability officer of the school to help you build those skills and demonstrate those skills that you'll have. And they can come partly from academic study, they come partly from career-related things that you'll do while you're at university and elsewhere. They'll come partly from part-time jobs, they may come from placement years, and they'll come from hobbies and other positions of responsibility that you've had, and will all demonstrate the sort of things that employers are interested in. So how do we help? Well, I'll start by saying we've actually got some really good results here. If you look in the University League tables, we look at the maths table, specific subject table for the subjects we're looking at here. We are currently ranked the joint third best university in the country for graduate prospects across all maths degrees, or 100 and whatever different maths degrees there are around the country. We are currently joint third best for graduate prospects. And the graduate prospects is essentially how many people have got a job or in further study shortly after they leave the university. So we're getting very good results, and it's a result of a combination of things. We've got a really strong career service, which is organised across the university, and there's a range of things that we do within the school and also other things that we do across the university to help you to get a job at the end of your course. So there's a lot of help available on doing interviews and doing assessment centres, which is part of the process that you'll go through, the recruitment process you'll go through to get a job, and filling in application forms. There's a lot of support at the Employability Festival, something we run every year to help people where we get employers come in and you can meet employers. And there are some programs that we run to help you build skills and recognise those skills that you've got. So the Careers Award is some learning that you can do, and we give you a sort of a certificate at the end of that if you complete that learning, and that helps you demonstrate you've picked up certain skills that will be useful to employers generally. And there's the Employability Points Scheme, which does two things. It helps you to record things you've done to build your employability, and it also gives access to other opportunities which are not available generally, to go and do things like work experience and internships at a number of employers in Kent and elsewhere. And of course we help you find jobs, and there's opportunities for jobs on campus and other positions of responsibility on campus as well. We also offer an academic support program. That's a broad range of support to help you in your learning, but part of that support program, we give you particular events that are focused on employability. So this year, for instance, our foundation year students, we organised a former student, a recent graduate, to come in and talk to the students about her work in finance. So she was, I think, a financial maths graduate working in an insurance company in a financial role, but closely aligned with insurance. And yeah, she was absolutely fantastic, talking about how she got the role, how she moved from university to work, and what her plans were for the next couple of years in her job. Okay, we also we did some general employability support for the first years. I ran a workshop for the second years to help them on putting CVs together, and we did some networking workshops and LinkedIn training for the third year. And we've done some Excel training and some other bits and pieces as well to help people build broader skills that are relevant to getting a job. We also help you recognise those skills. We've introduced this year things we've called grad goals, which are core things that we think people with a degree should be able to demonstrate at the end of their degree. I've shown those 7 core areas on the screen. And what we do with each of the modules that you'll study, will show you the 2 or 3 perhaps core skills there that you're going to build as doing part of that module. So that will help you identify areas where perhaps you have built up integrity and accountability type skills or creativity skills. And we give you opportunities also to record the things that you've learned. So my folio is a tool that's available to students, and the employability points system as well also gives you opportunities to reflect on and record the skills, so that when you come to fill out application forms and do interviews, you can look back on the things you've done and you can identify where you've built up various skills. Okay, we'll talk separately in more detail about placement years. That placement year is a great opportunity to build some real skills and experience in an area, a career area that interests you. A couple of weeks ago, we had the current placement students who are out come back to the university to do part of their assessment, actually, that they have to do for the year. And it's always fascinating to see how people have changed, that they will have been doing this placement now for about 6 months, how they've changed over the 6 months from essentially being a student to being a young professional. It's a very valuable thing to do. It will really build your skills and it will really build your employability. And the guys who do this, by the time they get to the end of their third year or the middle of the third year, when they're looking for permanent roles, they're really head and shoulders above other candidates because of the skills they have built. Okay, more about how that works in a separate session. Okay, so I hope that's given you an introduction to the type of support that's available. You're coming to university ultimately. I think for many students, it's about you recognising that university will help you get into the career that you want to do. There's a lot of support